All right, back with another Dashcam Chronicles, and I don't even know what to say on this one. Just like the last one, but this guy had six 5 gallon cans of fuel, 2 propane canisters on there, hanging on the back of his car on a car carrier, on a luggage carrier. Um, are you asking for 4th of July on the interstate? I mean, if you want to take yourself out in a fireball, hey, have at it. But I mean, you got other people on the highway, kids, buses, families, just innocent guys going down the road, families, dogs. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Obviously, you're not thinking. Don't even know what to say. But check this out.